Hey guys, today I'm doing another video, but I just wanted to warn you guys. There's a scammer who I've just been scammed by. I'll show you who it is. Okay, let's do this. Look, she's been very rude to me. She scammed me with Miss Goldie, and I gave her an ultra rare, so I'm really angry, so really angry. Look, okay, I'll show you who she is on my friends, okay, I'll search up her name. Yeah, because she said, oh, you must be really excited to get Miss Goldie, and then I said, yeah, and when I was just about to say, don't scam me, it said, this user's blocked you, so I was really annoyed with that. I'm bored. I want to make each other looks. I can't do that now. I'll just say in a sec. What? Oh my goodness. Everyone's texting me. Oh. YouTube says So yeah, I'll show you who this girl is. Very rude girl here. So yeah. Her name is, oh no, I can't even spell that, because I just want you guys, everyone to block her. Why would someone do that? What? Do you have sorbet? No, of course I am. Yeah, I have sorbet. Guys, I don't give away my sorbets. I'm sorry, guys. So this girl was really nice to me. That was until she blocked me. Right, this girl here, guys, this girl. Let's go on her. Look, as you can see, this user has blocked you. It really cracked me up. Can I trade? I love Alright, that was a caps as well. So, I don't trade my sorbet. Sorry guys, but yeah, I don't want anyone to be nice to her. Block her, block her, block her. Alright, make as much accounts as you can and just block her. She is a total nutjob. No. Yes, I'm gonna ask for a drippy. I'm gonna drip. Drip. Please. Yes, I'm recording. XX. Okay, I wanna see how many what are they called? Drip tops she actually has. Because this is my best friend and she's like so rich. I mean on the game, not in real life. She might be in real life, I don't know. So she's a celebrity, and yeah, this is one of my favourite people. Her name is Pete. She's so kind. Guys, she gave me a sorbet for free. I felt bad, so then I gifted her. What she said? What she said again? Let's just quickly check. I made a look of you. Please can I have the t-shirt on it, please? Oh, sweet. When I stop recording. XOX. Yeah, because I hate it when people always just text you when you're recording. So I just want to see how many drip tops she has. Because I have none, guys. What was that? If you guys send me Miss Goldie or Drippy, I will be so grateful, guys. Okay, I'll be so grateful. Because you know how much I like drip tops. You probably do. Because I've always wanted a Drippy, and I've never got one. And if you give me Miss Goldie, I'll probably gift you about 10 times. Maybe. That's what I usually do. But yeah, please guys, for mail times, please send rares, because I'm doing a rare mail time very soon, so I hope you enjoy that video. But to do that, we actually have to have some gifts. Don't you guys agree? Because I do. Wait, do I have any gifts? Loading. I hate it when it's happening. Oh yeah, my thing's behind that, as you can see. Yeah, I just want them, guys. I just want them. Oh my god, look at that. So as you can see, there's a drip cap there. I think that's the only drip cap she has. But yeah, she has lots of rares. Oh my god, she has the backpack. She is full of rares, aren't you? Let's see her shoes. Load. Oh my god. Are they bunnies or something else? Because they're... all of these are rare, literally. Well, this one is, this one is, this one is, this one is. I think that one is. This is a D-pack. You can actually get them in levels. Like, it's really easy. It's not one of those things you have to do for YouTube. I think that's an old rare. The sandals, these ones here. I think that's an old rare, you guys. I think there's a rare. Oh, duckies! She has 2 duckies. Oh, she has bunnies! Oh my god, I am obsessed with bunnies, guys. Okay, so... oh, I need to stop laughing. Let's find some trousers. Oops. Guys, if you gave me duckies as well, as I was saying, any rares would be great, you guys. I've been looking for rares all my life, and I've never had a rare week. Yes, if you're wondering. No, it doesn't happen here. Not with me, I'm so sorry, you guys. I do rare trades if you like. Oh my god, is that Galaxy? Sweet. I had that. That was the girl. I gave her this and she scammed me with that. I didn't really like the colour, so, but someone gave it to me and I adored it and I bought it. But then, yeah, someone scammed me. I just want to say, if you're a scammer, stop scamming. Because think about how it makes others feel. Not good, am I right? Don't do it. If you're wondering that noises, it's my brother. Guys, don't scam. Yeah, that was my mom, sorry. Yeah, just really just don't do it. So as I was saying, let's get on with this, because she's probably, I think she watches my videos. I don't know. But yeah, I think this is going to be a great thing. If she wears it, I'll be so surprised. Rose. Okay, right, she said okay. Let's call it. Please, can I have one of the rares? Yes, there we go. So it's all saved now. I hate it when this thing comes up. Wait, 3, 2. Yeah, there it is. What has she said? Oh my god. This is really annoying. This girl is really nice. She's not annoying, it's just annoying when that thing pops up. She's really nice. Oh my god, the messages are so weird. So I just want to say shout out to all the people which don't scam. Can you quickly give me in the corner of your screen? Okay, I'm fine now that I've had enough. So give her. Let me just say, you have to back though. Okay, I will give her something which I've had for a long time, which is drumroll. Oh guys, comment down below if this is a rare. I don't know. I really don't know. So let's just gift her something random. Let's gift her this mask, which I don't know if she'd like it or not, but hey ho. Right, okay, now you. So yeah, I just wanted to warn you guys, the guy who scammed me is a total idiot, okay? Total idiot. I suggest, if she has a YouTube channel, do not follow it. Clear? I hope it is. Okay. Duckies. Yes. Record. There we go. If she blocks me out, I would literally say I'm annoyed. Oh no. Can I have a mail time? Yeah, because I'm doing rare mail time, you guys. P.S. It's a rare mail time. Wait, where is... Okay, she's not here. 9 of my goodness. I hate it when people do this. Right. If I don't get the gift by tomorrow, that means you're a scammer, and that means you're a scammer, and I'll warn YouTube about you, like the girl I did a minute ago. Please, I don't want to be rude or anything. Please send it. Please send it by tomorrow. I'm going to die. I'm just going to say to this girl, please send gifts for rare mail time X. So I'm just going to say to everyone, P.S. I'm recording. I just like saying that, you guys. I'll send it tomorrow after school. I promise my heart. I have never scammed in my life. Good. Straight after school. Guys, I film straight after school as well, so then you guys can see if she scams or not. That would be great. And then I don't have to warn you because you'll be seeing what she's scamming. How does that sound, people? Let's get off here. I want to send my gifts. I don't think I have any, which is really sad for me. Yeah. But yeah, tomorrow I'll send you 2 guys after school tomorrow. Oh, thank you. Okay. I'll check your res. And say the ones I want. Okay, I need to do this really quickly because we have 2 minutes left. 1 minute left till I end this video because my mom needs her laptop because I'm on her laptop. What was I going to do again? Oh my god. Oh yeah, I was going to go on her body, but not the ones I'm wearing, obviously. Okay, okay, just let me do this. I'm sorry, just don't talk to me anymore, please. I need to do this. Wait, Courtney, look, quick. We have, like 2 seconds left. No, we don't. Quick, let me see, run! Run like the wind. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, I am freaking out right now, you guys. I'm so worried that that gift wasn't the t-shirt on the look I made you. Oh, I didn't know I had to. What did I do? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.